up, snipers? Stock Sniper Nick here, and tonight we're gonna go over the watch list for tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday, February 10th. First things first, if you're brand new to the channel, slam that like button. Hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday so far, and I'm excited to dive into some stocks with you guys. Now, before I dive into the watch list, I want to bring it to the Sniper team. I want to give a quick shout out to Stock Sniper Damon, who had an awesome bag today in the stock PHOT, which is actually a stock that's on the watch list as well. So we're going to talk about that in a second. Damon was actually able to bag this in the morning. He took the breakout play. I want to give a quick shout out to the Sniper team. Sniper chat has been on fire lately. I mean, just by the people that's in there, there's a great group in there. We have our OGs who started with us, and now we have a new group of great traders that have came in, and all the new people. It's great for those questions that you guys bring. It's good for all of us. So feel free throughout the day, if you do have any questions in that chat, make sure you ask us any questions. If you do like what we got going on, you like the chat, want to trade alongside us, you can check out our website at www.thestocksnipers.com. Alright guys, so for tonight, we got 4 stocks to talk about. It'll be real quick. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the watch list for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, February 10th. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and let's dive in. On the left side is our website where we do a watch list every single night. Every Tuesday, we go on YouTube and we share it with everyone. The first one, it's a very nice spiker. It's the stock over here on Thinkorswim. It's Buds, B-U-D-Z. And let's talk about what we wrote about Buds. We said cannabis stocks are still pushing, as we saw some really nice cannabis plays happen today. Last week, we really capitalized on some plays. As you can see, MJNA, hemp, they were great breakouts. Pot N was a great breakout. We made 40% on MJNA, which is crazy. So just seeing this kind of movement in the sector, you gotta love to see it. So the sector is hot right now. Tilray, the leader of the sector, TLRY, if you want to keep your eye on that, has been just squeezing and pushing after that broke out earlier last week. So it's just been good things. And this was one that came onto our radar early because, look, it broke out of the high of 70 cents in the morning. And after it broke out in the morning, we decided we're going to keep our eye on it. And really, it was trading kind of spread. It was trading kind of illiquid. All up until Power Hour, where as you can see in Power Hour, it actually started to create a little bit of a trading range. So after it topped out here at 81.2, it ended up making a trading range. What's nice is the trading range is it's holding above VWAP. So as you can see, all in these last 2 hours of trading before Power Hour, we get a hold above VWAP. So you really gotta like that. And then in Power Hour right here at 3:15, it tests the high of day of 81.2, and look at that. Amazing breakout. So a very nice snipe here. I saw some people in the chat take advantage of this. For us, you know, we didn't love the volume throughout the day, so we kind of stayed cautious. We stayed away. We would have loved to get a dip down here, but never came. So bam, broke out, and right after it broke out of that 81 cent area, look at this. 20% push. So snipers who grabbed this, great job. I know some people already bagged this, already took the bag, and that's amazing. You know, being able to get 20% before tomorrow's gap up is awesome. But this stock now did close really strong. It's a 52-week breakout, so we'll see. For us, since we're not in, we're just gonna watch it now. Hopefully this does keep going like a lot of the other breakouts in the cannabis world. But since we're not in, what we would want to see is that this thing gets sellers in the morning and panics, and that way we could, you know, maybe potentially dip by it closer to the breakout of 70 cents. KGKG here is next on the list. This is another OTC cannabis play, and the next major resistance on the long-term chart is 5.6. So as you can see, this stock broke its last multi-month resistance at 4 cents. Looks like it hasn't gone past that spot since July, so an impressive spot to break. And then again, this was another one where we're not going to jump in early. We wanted to really see what can happen throughout the day, and with KGKG, it actually another one that got an amazing spike in Power Hour. So that's what you like to see. But with KGKG, for us, this was another one where we wanted to dip. It didn't come, but look at this. You know, when it finally got that high a day break in Power Hour, again, kind of similar situation where it's kind of trading illiquid, but breaking that multi-month breakout in the morning, and then gets a little bit more, you know, liquidity around Power Hour. And as you can see, it is trading $1 million. So that's a good amount of dollar volume. It's definitely good enough if you're trading with 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 like most of us. When it tops out here at 4.2 at 130, we had our eye on it, and we would have loved to have a dip closer around here, closer to VWAP, but it never came. And then, you know, it did hold, make a higher low over 4, and bam. After that, boom, makes a high day of 4.2, and look at that cushion. Another 20% push in Power Hour. That's why you gotta love these stocks. You gotta love watching this, and that's why we stress, you know, just pay attention in Power Hour. Really, we want you to lock in the chat from 2:30 to 4. You know, really ideally, if you could just get in there for the last hour from 3 to 4, that's where majority of our buys happen. And look at the potential that's here. unbelievable. So another play that's already given you, 15-20% cushion, and you could potentially get a gap up tomorrow as well. Again, the next resistance is 5.6. So we'll see what'll happen with this stock. We'll see if it could continue. KG would be nice to see this one go. This is one that we used to play way back in the day. They actually have a hemp energy drink, which we'll have to do a review on it sooner than later. So it'll be cool to see this one get going. And when one gets going, it only pumps up all the other ones, just like when MJNA and hemp went last week. Last but not least, guys, we got two plays, and they're both grouped together because they're similar. That's PHOT and MMNFF. They're both OTC cannabis stocks as well. So we got a full list of cannabis stocks tonight. Let's go. But PHOT and MMNFF have had awesome run-ups since last Thursday. They've been on a tear. Both of them are up 200% plus. This is PHOT right here. As you can see, this is the run-up I'm referring to. Literally started down here in the 18s, and today it topped out at 51. And then with MMNFF, not too long ago, this stock in the same thing, around the 18-cent area. And look, it hit 99 cents today. Unbelievable, and that's in 4 trading days. So another reason why we love trading these stocks so much, why we love watching these stocks so much, they offer huge opportunity. You saw Sniper Damon earlier. We gave the shout out to Sniper D. He bagged PHOT on the breakout. So he played the breakout play. And now that it has already broken out and it kind of pushed further than that, now that it is on the 4th green day, both of these, of, really pushing up all the way from 18 cents to where they're at now, they're both up over, 200% plus. So this is a really quick time for both of these stocks to move that much. So we're going to expect for a pullback, and that's what we're going to be waiting for with both these plays. We want to see a panic dip buy, so we want to see those panic sellers step in. Ideally, it happens in the morning where all the people who bought in at the top, see those sellers step in and they start to panic, and the stock starts to drop 25 to 50% because they had such nice run-ups. They are overextended now. They're definitely starting to get, if you don't think they're overextended yet. So, we'll just be keeping an eye. Whenever the sellers step in, they'll step in, but just keep an eye, because when it happens, it could be a really nice, like I said, 25 to 50% pullback. And if you're looking at it, what we like to look at is multi-day supports on that run-up to be able to play them off of. So that's what you can look for, and there's big potential on these panic dip buy plays. If this one panics from where it's at, 40 cents, it gets down back around the breakout here in the low 20s, that's a good percentage, and that stuff happens all the time with these volatile stocks, and that is why we love them. So keep an eye out. A great list for tonight. We got all cannabis stocks, so hope you guys enjoyed the list tonight. Let's freaking knock these ones out tomorrow. We got some jobs to do. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. As always, Sniper team, thank you guys so much. I want to take this time just to thank you guys so much for showing up in the chat every single day. The people that are participating every single day, we have a big group in there compared to where we first started with, and the resources in there are amazing. So it's great to get to know you guys and get to meet you guys. And I talked to Sniper Jose on the phone today. It was great to get to meet you, and it's just so cool. Everyone has their own trading journey. We're just trying to make it with small counts. So we're doing it together. We're on a mission. Our motto is let's get rich together. That is still our goal. We are on the come up with you guys. Big shout out to some of the OGs who've been with us since day one. Sauce Boy, Sniper Bo, Jarrett Leone, Sniper Christina. It goes on and on. Much love to all you guys. G Mendez. Much love to the Sniper team that, again, is in there participating, trading alongside of us every single day. And then last but not least, much love to you guys. And thanks for driving us every single day to keep getting better. Hope you guys could get better too. Hope this video helped in any kind of way for you to get better. I'll be back here next Tuesday to go over the watch list then. Much love, my snipers. Sniper Dick is out.